In this video, we will detail step by step the strategy behind an electronic control board for the fan of an air conditioning system operated through a relay. 1. The air conditioning unit operates on 220 volts alternating current. 2. The electronic board receives this 220 volts of alternating current, which passes through a transformer, reducing its voltage to approximately 16 volts. 3. Subsequently, through a bridge rectifier and capacitors, the alternating current is converted into direct current. 4. Through a voltage regulator of the 7812 series, the electronic board manages to reduce and stabilize the voltage to 12 volts. 5. Internally, the electronic board has another regulator of the 7805 series, converting the continuous 12 volts to 5 volts of direct current. 6. When the electronic board receives the user's power-on signal, it sends a signal to the main controller. 7. The main controller responds to the power-on stimulus, emitting a 5-volt signal to the ULN 2003 integrated circuit. 8. The ULN 2003 integrated circuit, upon receiving the input signal on its pin 3, provides an output signal through its pin 14. 9. This output of the ULN 2003, located on pin 14, acts as a ground. 10. In the figure, we observe a relay, which internally has a coil powered with 12 volts. The current can flow through the coil only when the ULN 2003 integrated circuit activates the ground signal on its pin 14. This ground signal on pin 14 causes the flow of current through the relay coil, generating a magnetic field that activates the relay's internal switch. 11. With the switch closed, the passage of alternating current is allowed, with a voltage of 220 volts, powering the fan.